Dear class, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is the chapter number 4, working with queries. Class, earlier we had discussed that how to make a data and how to make a entries in a database and how to make a tables, rows, columns. So this chapter 4 is also interrelated with the chapter 2nd and chapter 3rd, that is the database and tables. So let's start with our new topic, that is the working with queries. So before discuss our topic, let's take a review of our 2nd and 3rd chapter. Why? Because 2nd and 3rd chapter is interrelated with our 4th chapter, that is the working with queries. Class, the database is an organization which can contain huge amount of data, and it can also contains multiple tables which consist of rows and columns. So when the number of records in a tables is increases, it may becomes an uphill task or a difficult task to maintain a specific records for a that table. So for this we have to use a query. So a query is a database object that helps to retrieve and view information from one or more database in a particular table. So let's start with the chapter working with queries. Now our first one is the setting a relationship between tables. So relationships are the links which are between the tables. Relationships work by matching data in key fields. So these matching fields are called primary keys from one table and a foreign key in another table. As in this slide, you can easily see that there are two types of keys used. First one is the primary and second one is the foreign key. So foreign key is a value in one table that must be matched the primary key in another table. For example, the given table can be linked using a roll number field. Here we have to make a relation between these two tables. First one is the student's personal record and second one is the result. So here we can make a relationship between these two tables with the help of a primary key using on the roll number key. Here primary key can be converted into a foreign key. So this is a way that how we can make a relation between the tables. So relationships are links that associate with the field in one table with the field in another. So in Access, you store data in a multiple tables. Why? To bring that information together. So we need to define the relationship between tables. So once we have defined relationship between the tables, then data from both the tables can be used as a query, form or report. So class, in this chapter we can also focus on our three concepts, that what is the meaning of query, second one is the form, and third one is the report. So after creating a relationship between the different fields, you can create a queries, forms and reports. Why? To display the information from several tables at once. So after working with relationships, you must delete the relationship before you made. So here in this slide you can easily see that there are two tables, student's personal record and second one is the result. As there is a relationship between two tables, as both in these two tables roll number is shown as a primary key. Now question arises that how to linking tables or how to make a relationship between different type of tables. So first of all, open one of the table and then click on the database tool. After clicking on database tool, here there is an one term occurs with the name of relationship button. So you should create on the or click on the relationship button. This can show a table dialog box opens. So you can select the student's name, personal record, table by clicking the add button. So it is your choice that on which number of field you can make a relation. So after making a relation, then drag a primary key of the foreign table to a primary table. So after dragging the key, you can easily show that there is a cursor occurs. This cursor means it can show the relationship between these two tables. Here we can talk about these two tables means first one is the student's record table and second one is the result table. So this is the way that how you can make a relationship between different types of table. Here we can use two types of keys, primary keys and a foreign keys. After getting the relationship, the primary key can be converted into a foreign key. So this is the all about your chapter that working with queries. In short, a query is like a simple question that we ask to find a specific information from the database. So we use queries to view, change, summarize and analyze the data in a different ways.